Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon breakfast easy method. Preheat a skillet over medium heat and lay strips flat without overlap. Keep the pan moderate so fat renders slowly and edges crisp evenly. Flip occasionally with tongs for uniform color and drain onto paper towels to remove excess grease. Serve hot with toast or eggs and enjoy a simple, satisfying breakfast everyone will love. Finish each strip when it reaches your preferred crispness, and remember that thicker cuts take longer to render fat. Use tongs to turn strips gently so they stay intact and cook evenly. Keep a splatter guard handy to reduce mess and lower heat if bacon browns too fast. Let cooked bacon rest briefly on absorbent paper to keep it crisp and ready for plating or sandwich building. Handle hot bacon and the hot skillet with care to prevent burns. Use oven mitts when needed. Allow bacon to cool slightly before transferring to containers to avoid steam accumulation and sogginess. Store in the fridge for up to 4 days or freeze portions for longer keeping. Reheat in a skillet or oven to restore crispness, and avoid microwaving directly from frozen without thawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.